Hello friends, today I am explain you how to install restore deleted products plugin in nopcommerce 4.1. So this is the installation process. So before we start its installation process, you have to know the features of this plugin. So restore deleted products plugin is helpful to admin to restore deleted product. Suppose admin delete the some product and unfortunately this product is required for the admin. So this plugin is take the list of deleted products. So in that list you can restore any products which you want to show up. So now let's start its installation process. So to go ahead with restore deleted products, please install plugin in your nopcommerce site. So for that you have to extract your download folder which is available in your download folder. So copy the widget.restore deleted products folder. So this folder is available in your download folder and you have to copy this folder and paste into presentation/nop.web/plugins folder of your nopcommerce site. Here I have already put that folder. So this is the nopcommerce 4.1 demo. In that you have to find plugins folder and here you have to paste this folder. Here I have already put restore deleted products. Now click on reload list of plugin. So here click on login. Go to the administration. In that go to the configuration and select plugins. Here configuration and in that select plugins. In plugin list folder one button is available, reload list of plugin. So we can find here reload list of plugins. Click on that for reload all plugins. After that install restore deleted products. Here we have to find plugin. This is here restore deleted products. The button is here install to install the plugin. After plugin installation, you have to go to the admin panel, and in that one menu link is display named deleted products. Click on that. Here we find the plugin has been installed. Okay, here in menu one menu link is display deleted products. You have to click on that. So here this is available. So now no any product is deleted, so it will 0 product display. Now go to the catalog and go products, and you have to delete some products. Click on delete to delete. After that, you have to just reload this deleted products. So here it will found the deleted products, so it will come with restore button. So here you can restore a single item to click on that, or otherwise you can select multiple products and restore selected and click on yes to restore. So here it will restore. You can click on here and restore this one single products. So that will display the deleted product list. Here you can restore single or multiple products. Enjoy your product descriptions as well organized. If you require any further assistance or have questions, do not hesitate to contact us. Thank you for watching our video.